Hey, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm sharing all of my May stickers. So that is my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities sticker sheets, my May monthly, and my memory planner kits. So let's start with my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities planner, and then we'll do my Sadie stickers planner. So these are in the order that I plan to use them. So for the first week, I have this cute little kit from Saucy Stickers Co. It's just adorable and I love the colors in it. I think it's so beautiful. So this is Welcome Home. I am loving her journaling kits right now. They're just really functional for me and I just love all of the variety that she includes in her kits. Plus they're affordable. I just really enjoy Saucy Stickers Co. journaling kits right now. But this is just so pretty. I love it. And it kind of sets the tone of what I want for May. Then I have the Nikki Plus 3 Pink Lemonade journaling kit. This will be the first time that I am trying a journaling kit from Nikki Plus 3, but I am excited to try it out. There's lots of deco in here. There's a couple of functional pieces. And then lots of large, like torn pieces, which I love. And I do want to use the days of the week. I think this is going to turn out so beautiful. It's just really bright and brings a totally different vibe to the month compared to the first one. Then I have these two sheets from Alicia Michelle XO. These are the Oh Honey sheets. And this is just so pretty. I have not decided what washi I want to use with this. I think I have a gold hexagon that I might use, but I haven't decided yet. So that's why I didn't pull any yet. But when I do this video, I will definitely show you what I decide on. I might even choose like an accent color to bring in since these are pretty neutral, but I think this is going to be so pretty. I just love her stickers lately. Then I've got these two sheets from Caitlin Plans. I bought these like 4 months ago or something, but there are two sheets here. We've got bold birthday and bold quotes, and I definitely want to combine them together. And I don't think I'll use washi this week since I have plenty of stickers here, but I think this is going to be super cute for my birthday week. Just really fun color combo and just cute little stickers, and I really like the quotes as well. I think I'll use the leftovers in my monthly spread in my plum paper, which I don't really decorate too much on, but I think this will look cute on there. Then I've got this last kit for the month called The Good Vibes, also from Saucy Stickers Co. I told you I'm loving her lately. I just really enjoy her journaling kits. They're really pretty. And I like how she kind of mixed it up with the days of the week stickers there. And there's just tons of variety in here. This is just so pretty. The colors are just kind of the transition into summer. So we get out close to the end of May, like May 20th is graduation, I think, something like that. And so this will be fun for like the first official week of summer break. So let's go to my May monthly kit. I just love this so much. This is from Jessica Hart's, and the way that I do my monthly spreads in my memory planner is I just pick out highlights. So I actually do this at the end of the month, but I just think this is so pretty and I'm really excited to use it. It's just beautiful. I got the foiled version, so I got gold foil here. So this is called Desert Bloom. It's so pretty. This definitely makes me want to do a little summer vacation in, I'm thinking New Mexico or Arizona. Haven't narrowed it down exactly. It's just so pretty. I love this sidebar too. The colors are just so beautiful. It's kind of neutral, but then it has like the pops of the blue. I love how she overlaid the flowers on here too. So pretty. And so here is the foiled sheet. It says, take only memories, leave only footprints. So pretty. So this is my monthly kit. Now let's go into the weekly kits. So we have 5 because there's actually 5 months in May instead of the normal 4 that I've been showing you lately. So that's just how the calendar worked out. The first week is going to be this cute little kit called Farmer's Market from Scribble Prints Co. I just thought this was kind of fun. And although our farmer's market doesn't quite open up until I think mid-May or so, but anyway, I just thought this would be fun to start the month off with. Really cute, lots of bright, like fun colors. These are just so cute. I think the spread is going to turn out like really fun. This is the mini kit, by the way. Super cute deco. The colors are kind of muted, which I like because then you're not like, it's like not super bold colors all throughout the spread. You have a good balance. Here are the boxes. This is the old version of her kits. Extra box with the bottom washi, and then there's 2 extra as well. I think I will probably incorporate one of these somewhere. I just haven't decided where in the spread yet, but this is the first week. Then we've got the second week. This is a Caress Press kit called Daisy. This is really cute. I actually wasn't going to buy this one, and then I was looking and I was low on kits, and I just happened to look once again at the Caress Press website, and I just kind of missed this one the first go around, but I'm working it in now. This is so pretty. It's definitely got the spring vibes going on. I love this kind of landscape, just the flowers everywhere. This is the smallest of her kits available. It works perfectly for me. Really like the color combo, this pretty coral with the more muted colors. Oh, that's so cute. I love the patterns. This will be a week that I will probably color block just because it just is really fun. I love this bottom washi. It's so cute. Then you got a little bit of deco. I'll probably use the date covers this time because there's not quite as much deco as in her normal kits. And then there's a couple of extra boxes, which I do think that I will try to incorporate somehow. I'll probably use this. Yeah, I'll probably use both of these. Really cute. So that is Daisy from Caress Press. Then this one is one that I pulled from my collection because, like I said, I was down kits. So I found this one. I never got to use it last year, and I always wanted to. I just didn't have room in my kit schedule. So this is the May 2021 kit from Sadie Stickers. It's really beautiful. It's got gold foil on it. Super pretty. I really love the colors. It's a little bit softer than these previous 2. Oh, these are like May colors for sure. So beautiful. Obviously, this is an old kit format, but I have everything I need in there to make it work for me. So pretty. And the bottom washi is gorgeous. I just think this is going to be really beautiful. So pretty. All right, then for my birthday week, I've got this really fun kit from Caress Press called Serena and Lilies. I just really like the colors. I couldn't find a birthday kit that I loved, but again, I was perusing the Caress Press website, and this one just like kind of struck me with the color combo. I just thought it was really beautiful and just kind of like soft and calming, and that's definitely what I want for my birthday week. Really cute. Oh, these are so pretty. Really like the patterns too. I will probably color block this week as well. I love that bottom washi. That's so pretty. And then I will probably do the deco across the top because it's super cute deco and it's a good size for me to do that. And here is the extra box, which I probably will use because I think there's one here. Oh, I don't know. That'll be hard. I'll try to use as many as I can. Now, when I purchased this, I also, on her site, because I thought, let's do some foil. It's a special week. So I found this glimmer collection. It's like a 2-page foiled, or 3-page foiled little kit here. So we've got some full boxes. I went with silver because I thought that would really complement the kit. And then we've got the bottom washi here, which I probably will not use just because I love the bottom washi in here, but maybe I can figure something else out. I love these. These are so cute. They're little tiny accents. Got some header overlays and then tons of scripts. We've got some date and numbers. I just think this is super cute. Adorable. Really excited for this kit and foil combo. And lastly, I have this adorable kit that I wanted to use last year and I just again did not have room for it, but she re-released it and I'm using it this year. So this is Queen Bee from Lemon and Honey Studio. So here are the full boxes. Really beautiful. I like the simplicity of them because the colors are really bold. I think it's just going to turn out so pretty. I went ahead and got the 4-page kit because I have found this is what kind of works best for me. Just so pretty. I love the color combo. I did go ahead and grab the glitter headers for this one because of the uniqueness of the colors. I thought it would be really hard to match. The black would be easy, but this green and these yellow shades would be kind of hard. So went ahead and grabbed these this time. So these are all of the sticker sheets and kits I'm going to be using in 2 of my planners. I'm really excited to try all of these out. I really love the variety that I have here and it's going to be fun. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!